Assalamu alaikum all students. I'm Razia from Bhss Kupwara. My trade is ITes. Today we are going to start a new lecture, a new chapter, that is entrepreneurship. Okay, there are two terms, that is entrepreneur and entrepreneurship. Entrepreneur is a person who sets up a business or more than one business by taking a financial risk in the hope of profit. Okay, we do every work for the sake of profit. Okay. Sometimes we have to go through some risks as well, because we know at the end we are going to get some profit out of it. And e-ship, another term is e-ship. Entrepreneur is a person who sets up a business. Okay? And then we have e-ship, and that is entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship development is the process of strengthening the skills and knowledge of entrepreneurs. That means this entrepreneurship, it's a process by which we can give some skills or some knowledge to the budding or existing entrepreneurs. Budding means those entrepreneurs who are new in this field, and existing means who are somehow experienced in this, who are in this field, and they have some experience out of it, and we give some more and more skills to them and more knowledge to them, and that process is called as entrepreneurship. Okay. We give them some skills and knowledge by handhold them during the entrepreneurship journey. Okay. Now we have what are entrepreneurial skills. This entrepreneurship, it remains a new concept in terms of how it can be developed, what is to be needed for a new entrepreneur, and what are the qualities an entrepreneur must have in order to start a business. So we'll go through the properties as well, we'll go through the qualities as well. So we'll go through entrepreneurship and society. This entrepreneurship has a wide meaning. It is simply described as starting a business. Okay, we can say this entrepreneurship is simply how an entrepreneur can start a business. Okay, using the available resources. Okay, whatever the resources he has, whatever the financial support he has, he will use it and he will start a business, and this is called as entrepreneurship. And an entrepreneur, he combines the factors in creative manner in order to generate values for customers, and he creates wealth, because he know, if I am doing a work, if I am doing a job, I have to make wealth out of it. Okay. We can say this entrepreneurship, there are two things. There is entrepreneur and society. These are two things. This entrepreneur, it gives products and goods to the society, and the society, it provides market for the products and services, okay, provided by the entrepreneurs. You have to understand these two terms. Entrepreneur, he provides goods and products to the society. Okay, and the society provides market for the goods and the products which are provided by the entrepreneurs. Okay, it's very important point. You have to learn it, you have to memorize it. Then we have positive impact of entrepreneur on society. It's because an entrepreneur, he must have a positive impact on society. For example, we can say creates needs and demands. Society, first of all, I can say that society plays a very wide role in boosting entrepreneurship. We can see there are some points by which it boosts the entrepreneurship. Society boosts the entrepreneurship. First of all, it creates needs and demands. It provides raw material to the entrepreneurs. It enables financial support. It creates a need for education. It facilitates networking, or it supports infrastructure development. So we can say this e-ship, it creates adverse effect on society as well. This happens in the form of environmental degradation, or we have trade imbalance, or we have labor exploitation. So this will create a very adverse effect of entrepreneurship on society. So now we have some common e-ship activities related to society. What are the common activities entrepreneurship must go for which are related to society? First of all, first point is social e-ship. Social e-ship can be understood as creation of sustainable solution for social problems. This social e-ship, it must go through those activities which can solve the social problems, that leads to social change. For example, the e-ship must go through employing entrepreneurship mindset, or going through processes and operations, which can change the society. Second one is agricultural entrepreneurship. Agricultural e-ship can be defined as being primarily related to marketing and production of inputs and products used in agricultural activities. And in this agricultural entrepreneurship, farmers are mostly benefited by this activity of e-ship, as it has led to low cost innovations in farming process. Then we have a third point, that is woman entrepreneurship. This woman entrepreneurship is the process where women organize all the factors of production, undertakes risks, and provide employment to others. And then we have another one, that is small scale entrepreneurship. This small scale e-ship refers to starting industries in which manufacturing, trading, providing services, production, etc. are done in small scale, or we can say micro scale. And these are the things which e-ship must do related to society. This is all about today's topic. Tomorrow we'll go through some next topic. Take care. Allah Hafiz.